Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Digital Genies, Solution to Everything. So in this video we are going to talk about Amazon Inventory Ledger Report, which is the huge change from Amazon side. And in this report, Amazon replaces 6 of the inventory report, and we will talk about all those things. As we have in our previous video, we worked on the reimbursement from fulfillment reports, and because of this new update, many of my watchers on YouTube ask me like I should go with the inventory ledger report and do the process again, so they can have an understanding of ledger report. So after getting few queries, I feel like I should have Amazon inventory ledger report overview for you guys, and how you can use to get the inventory reimbursement from Amazon. So if we talk about Amazon inventory ledger report, this is something which you can relate to your Amazon bank account statement, where you have your opening balance, your closing balance, and your transaction history. So Amazon inventory ledger report is something like that. If you can see, it's inside from Amazon, or you can say the definition of this inventory ledger report is the inventory ledger report is something like a bank statement for Amazon seller inventory. It will provide you end-to-end inventory reconciliations capability by showing your starting inventory balance, received inventory, the customer orders you got, the customer returns you have, the adjustments. Adjustment could be the inventory reconciliation, or the inventory reimbursement, removal, and ending balance for Amazon account. So all these things are going to be merged into one big, or you can say detailed inventory ledger report, which is called inventory ledger report. And what are the 6 main reports we had in the past, where we can go and get all the data we required regarding the customer returns, the adjustments, removals, and all those. These are the 6 reports which Amazon replaced with this inventory ledger report. These are daily inventory history, monthly inventory history, inventory event details, inventory adjustments, inventory reconciliation, and received inventory. So all these 6 reports are being removed from Amazon Marketplace and Amazon Seller Central, and all these 6 reports have been removed from Amazon Seller Central, and these are being merged into inventory ledger report, which is going to be the next point of interaction for all those who are selling on Amazon and going or want to have all these details from their inventory arrival. So coming towards other things, like why Amazon sellers need this report, because all those things have been merged into this report, and you don't have to shuffle between different 6 reports. Instead of, you can go into Amazon ledger side and you can have all the data in front of you. Just like Amazon sellers should use this report to get analyze inventory movement to and from fulfillment centers. These reports also show you the fulfillment center name and location in front of you. And if you can see, like you will also have sold products report, returned products report, removed products report, dispose of inventory, and damaged, lost, and found products. So all these things are going to be in this one report. You are going to have all these things. And if we can see how you can reimburse from using the ledger report, you can reimburse by following simple steps. We will practically do this in the next phase of this video. And if you can see, like this is basically the same steps we are going to do as we done this before for the reimbursement of lost, damage, or returned inventory reimbursement from Amazon. So we have to go to Seller Central, into reports, into fulfillment, and from fulfillment, where we are going to we select reconciliation or inventory adjustment reports. Now we have to select for the inventory ledger report. Then the same thing is, like, we need to select the date range for the relevant SKU, and we need to generate the report. We can have both templates like CSV, or formats like CSV, or the text format. This is it is your choice which format you want. And then we can review the report to identify the discrepancies or error in the inventory levels. So after all those things, we can connect with the Amazon Seller Support, or we can use the built-in tools for the reimbursement. We need to put our FNSQ into that, and we will have result from that. The in a built-in tool might be we got review of from the tool, like we already reimbursed or reconciled for this product, or we are going to Amazon is going to search for that, and they automatically create a case. This is the all of these things are just like the previous one we used. The thing is, in this report, we don't have to download 6 reports instead of 1 report, so we can get data from this. So all of things are same. Let's start doing the reimbursement process practically, so you can have how we are going to get our amount from Amazon. And this is the video which I referred before, and let's start doing that. So now we are going to practically view how we are going to use the inventory ledger report for reimbursement. And as I already on the fulfillment report section, but let me guide you through the step by step. So going into reports and then into fulfillment, you will have the inventory report tabs here, and if you can see, we have an inventory ledger report here. If you can click on that, you will see this type of you will have this view of this product, the inventory ledger report. The main thing which I think the main change we have right now is we have type of report, summary, overview, and the detail view. When we click on detail view, it will give us a different option like which event we are going to get the report for. And if you let it for any, it is going to get the product for you, like adjustment, customer returns, receipt, shipment, vendor returns, and FC transfer. If you want to go for specific any report, like we are going to use the adjustment report in this video tutorial, so I am going to select this adjustment report, and now we can have a reason of the groups in front of us, like damage, inventory, dispose of, found, lost, and others. So this is what we are going to use. We are going to we can also narrow down the thing, like we are just looking for the dispose of, we are looking for just found one, or we are just looking for the lost one. So we can uncheck all those things, and we will have only the last things in front of us in that report. But for this video, we can keep all those things, because I want to explain few things in that report, how you can read that report for you. And this is where we are talking is right now is the view online. And when we want to download, this is something which is the same thing we are going to do, type of report, and then we are going to have an adjustment, and then here we need to give the date range of which time period we are going to look for the product for the inventory ledger report. So if you can see, we have 360 days, 180, 90, 30, 40, and 14, 7, and 3. And we can also go for the random selection, like when we want to do the report, and we can see the summary of that. So for this video, I'm going to select for the last 90 days, and there is something which we talk, like it is depending on what format you want, the text format or the CSV. So mostly recommended template is a CSV, so I will go with that. And once we are going to download this file, we will have something like this. So now that our report is ready, and we download this report, and I made some adjustment to explain few things in that report, like the reason code I have here and the definition. So why we have this reason code and the definition of this code, we can explain you more. We are going to mainly focus on these 4 points, on these 4 reason code, while we are going to do the reimbursement for the inventory adjustment, just like we do for the inventory adjustment. So if you can see, like M is going to represent the inventory misplaced, E is going to represent the damage at Amazon fulfillment center, Q is going to be the other disposition changes, and D is going to be the inventory dispose of. So all these reasons we are going to look into this report, and to make it simple for us, we are going to implement the filter here, and from the reasons we are going to select for E, M, Q, and as we don't have the P for here, sorry, D for here, so we will not going to do any other thing. Like we have 3 reasons right now in this report, and we can see, is there any reconciliation we have unreconciled quantity. If we are going to look into this in this column, if there is something like we have the quantity here as 1, and we don't have reconciliation here, and we are not having we are having a number here in the reconciliation quantity. So all these steps are same. We need to go into the FNSQ of the product, and we need to copy this FNSQ and go into the pre-build tool. Here we have, and we can put the SQ here, FNSQ, and go for the continue, and this will show us like there is something. So it tell us like one item was found, and this item were already found. We have one item, and this is already found. If there is something which is which tell us like we need to have unreconciled quantity here, then it will create a case and reinvestigate at Amazon backend, and then we will have a reply within few hours. It might take few time, but depends upon the how much data you have put it in. And basically I will recommend you to go for at least 10 FNSQ at the same time, so you will have a good result and fast results for those. And this is the process we can go. The simple is that the inventory ledger report is something which gives you all our the data.